Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to sharpen an image in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image, then go to Filter tab, see this sharpen. Click sharpen, and again go to Filter tab, sharpen its. Sharpen more, and see this sharpen more. And again go to sharpen, smart sharpen. Use smart sharpen amount, radius, resulted, unsharp mask. Use custom. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.